Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna do too much talking, but if you want to get this look with a headband wig, okay, yes, no glue, no nothing, just a headband wig from Luvme Hair, just continue watching. But before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it. You guys already know how I do my hair under my headband wigs. I had showed you guys in my last video where I reviewed another one. So basically you guys already know, like, I have super thin edges and everything, but listen, this is why headband wigs are so convenient, because it literally just eases the tension and everything. You don't have to put no glue or anything like that, okay? So for me, I'm loving headband wigs right now, because as much as I love, you know, melting my lace or whatever, sometimes it's just not helping my case with my thin edges. So yeah, but I also wanted to show you guys. So it comes with, well, for me it came with these headbands, which is super cute. I personally don't know if I'll wear these, but we can try one on or something. But yeah. Okay, so this is the hair. Okay, this is the hair, nice and clean, and so far I have a tiny, like, minimal shedding, but my fingers are running through it really nice. And yeah, it looks really good so far. So I'm going to try it on. Actually, I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So again, so this is the headband, and then there's the comb. There's the comb right here. There's one at the top, two on the side, and then there's one at the bottom right here. Okay, so let me try it on. And then there's two Velcro ends that you can attach the headband together with. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just like that. Do you guys see how easy that was just to put it on? Like, I love it. It's like a nice wave and everything. I could even straighten it if I wanted to, but what do you guys think about this? So again, as you can see, like, so this is the headband right here. You don't even have to wear another headband with it. Like, I realize that a lot of people just, you know, put their own headband on top, but I don't think you have to. Like, a lot of times I just wear the black band on my wigs like this. And okay, so I like it when my hair is showing a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm just gonna flip it a little bit like this so that the front can show. Right, because for me it just gives it just a little bit, because for me it gives it a little bit more of a natural look, you know. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? There's so many cute hairstyles I can do with this. Let me move back a bit so you can see the length. Okay, it's nice and long. So let me try different hairstyles. Okay, so this right here is one hairstyle, obviously, just leaving it out. And then I'm gonna try the, like, famous thing that everyone's doing nowadays, and I really want to do it too. The half up, half down look. So just make sure the wig is nice and secured while you're doing this, and you're not pulling it too hard unless you really secured it. But you guys know I don't even really have hair like that to secure it with, so. So this is another look, the half up, half down. This is super cute. And then we could even, I don't know, like, a lot of people do this too. Like, from this, you can even just do like a bun right here. I probably need like a bobby pin or something, or an extra elastic, which I don't have on me, but you guys get the idea. It's a bit higher than I wanted it, but you guys get the idea, right? I think. And then I'm gonna put it like all in one. definitely super cute. This is like the sporty type of ponytail also, but I don't know, I'd rock it anywhere too. It's super cute. Yeah, just like this. A nice little high ponytail. And then this is actually what I really wanted to do. Even like a bun like this. You guys, come on, like this is super convenient. Like this is like a I'm just on the go type of outfit. Let me actually try one of their headbands with it. I think this one would match a little bit with what I'm wearing. I'm not sure exactly how it's supposed to go, but okay. I guess just like so. Oh, you guys, even better. Look at that. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, yeah, I really like it. Like I said, this is super, super convenient. And I guess the headbands too. I mean, if you don't have to wear the black headband just like this, I mean, without this, if you're going to have the hair down. But if you're gonna have all of the hair up, I do suggest wearing a headband because you don't want the Velcro to be exposed, right? So with this, but yeah, so the Velcro is not exposed, so it's basically like you're wearing your own hair up in a bun or whatever. I'm loving this, you guys. It's, again, headband wigs are a win, okay, for me personally, because I have super thin to zero edges, and this just really helps me. Okay, so I took off the headband, and again, you can even do a higher ponytail. I just feel like this elastic band is just not letting me be great. Let me try to make it a bit higher. This is actually a really cute hairstyle too. Remember the side ponytails? I used to do side ponytails all the time back in high school and stuff. Yeah, like, but yeah, this is a perfect look also if you want the ponytail to be a bit higher. I personally like it a bit higher for me, but yeah, you can choose whatever you want to do. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I actually want to straighten it too, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm loving the waves. It's super soft, you guys. The hair doesn't smell bad. And I know that there's some like up and down reviews about Luvme hair, but so far this hair is really, really nice. I will update you guys on how I like this hair soon, but so far, you guys, the volume is amazing. The hair is amazing. It's nice and soft. I personally really like it. I have a coupon code for you guys, and it's Saskie. So you can go ahead and purchase yourself something so nice like this. And honestly, for me, like, this hair is just the perfect thing to protect your edges. And that's my #1 thing, you guys. Like, unfortunately for me, I didn't protect my edges when I was younger, so my edges are just crazy, okay? And then after giving birth, I just didn't have any edges at all, and it never grew back. So yeah, this is definitely an amazing alternative, especially people who just don't know how to melt their own lace and you just want to be on the go. This is the perfect hair for you. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Anyways, I will see you guys next time.